Ride in Ford's Fmur150 Lightning. Ahead of being able to actually drive it, Ford offered us a chance to check out a prototype of the fleet version of the upcoming F-150 Lightning. While we don't know what it's like to be behind the wheel, we did have a chance to check out the truck, some of its features, and experience the EV torque as it blasted up a hill. The F-150 Lightning, whether it be for fleets or for customers, is a huge deal in the EV world. The F-Series truck has been the #1 selling vehicle in the United States for 3 decades. Electrifying that sales juggernaut gives the automaker a leg up in the EV truck world, since it has such a large established customer base. Check out the video above for the full story.